Yo, metalheads, if you want to see something cool besides this awesome hat that I got from Skills USA, every year I have a customer that orders a custom spaceship off of me. Now, it could be Battlestar Galactica, it could be Star Trek, it could be Star Wars. He's always ordering the one-offs, the ones that you can't get made anywhere else. You know, like 3D printing has come a long way, and there's a lot of people making scale models and everything else, but he likes them made out of metal. So, let's get into it. So Jason, this video's for you, buddy.
I started by building a wireframe out of 3/32 inch round stock, which helped lock the overall structure and proportions. From there, I skinned the frame using 18 gauge sheet metal. Working with sheet metal can be a process. What I usually do is I align one edge of the piece where it needs to go, and I tack it in place. Since it's thin enough, I can use a hammer to bend it gradually into position, making adjustments as I go and adding a few more tacks to lock it down. It's slow work, but it lets me get the shape and curves and angles exactly how I want it without having to fight the material the whole way. Once all the fabrication was done, I moved on to the finishing. I powder coated the entire ship in clear. The powder goes on white, and once the metal hits 375 degrees Fahrenheit, it starts to flow and becomes transparent. That's when the timer starts, 18 minutes in the oven for a full cure. It gives the steel a clean, glassy finish, and it helps prevent rust over time. The final model measures approximately 14 inches in length, which gives it a good size for a shelf, desk, or display case. It's detailed enough to stand out, but compact enough not to take over your entire space. To keep the whole thing balanced and symmetrical, I built a custom stand to hold it while I worked. I do this on most of my builds. It's like having a third hand that doesn't complain or take breaks. One small detail I added to this build is a recessed nut in the bottom of the hull. I drilled the opening and I welded the nut so I can add a threaded rod to the stand. That way the ship can be rotated and positioned any way the customer wants. It also makes it easier to remove or transport if needed. After the stand is powder coated, I add a piece of cork to the bottom of it to keep it from scratching whatever surface that it's sitting on.
Thank you for the support. You know, I'm moving from Microsoft Clipchamp over to CapCut. I'm going to try doing the videos a little bit different formats, and hopefully they get better as I progress. They seem to be coming together a lot faster because I kind of know what I need to do and which way I need to edit things. I don't always have the footage that I want, but I'm trying to make it work.
If you enjoy these smaller mechanical builds, be sure to check out some of my other videos. I've got everything from spaceships to creatures to motorcycles and more, all built one piece at a time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow us on our other social media channels.
If you are looking for custom orders or a large variety of other items, they are all available on our website. We build everything from small dogs to full-size wall-mounted deer heads and everything in between.